Kyotoka, Ayonokoji, a genius, mastermind, a great manipulator of classroom of the elite. He gets what he wants even without lifting a finger. He sees people as a tool and uses them. If you want how to be just like him, then here are some important points to notice. 1. Shape your look. First impressions matter, so think about the vibe you give off. Whether you want to seem average, friendly, or underestimated, tweak your appearance, your face, body language, and behavior to send the message you want others to see. Dress in a way that aligns with your chosen image, paying attention to subtle details that reinforce the narrative you're crafting. Remember, consistency in your look strengthens the impression you want to leave, making it easier for others to buy into the persona you're projecting. Additionally, be mindful of your grooming and nonverbal cues, as they play pivotal roles in shaping the overall perception others will have of you. 2. Find out true feelings. Don't always believe what people say. Take your time to figure out if they're being straight with you. Look for clues in their actions, and gather evidence before jumping to conclusions. Once you know what they're really up to, you can use it to your advantage. Pay attention to consistent patterns in their behavior over time to build a clearer picture of their true intentions. Keep in mind that subtle shifts or deviations from their usual conduct may reveal hidden motives, so stay observant and adaptable in your quest to uncover the authentic emotions and motivations behind their words and actions. 3. Use weak spots. Every individual has their vulnerabilities. Identifying and exploiting these weaknesses becomes a potent tool in your arsenal. Whether it's someone prone to agitation or an individual grappling with emotional distress, strategically manipulating these soft spots can lead to favorable outcomes. Recognize the triggers and wield them judiciously. However, exercise caution and ethical consideration in navigating this terrain, as manipulating vulnerabilities should be approached with a keen awareness of the potential impact on relationships and trust. Remember that true cunning involves using this knowledge not to harm but to influence situations positively or gain the trust needed for mutual benefit. 4. Keep a straight face. Mastery of emotions is a cornerstone of cunning manipulation. Develop a poker face, an inscrutable expression that conceals your true thoughts and intentions. This skill becomes particularly valuable when orchestrating intricate plans, as a neutral demeanor veils your strategies from prying eyes. Practice maintaining composure in diverse scenarios to fortify this crucial asset. Remember that consistency is key. By honing your ability to remain unreadable, you enhance your capacity to navigate various situations without giving away your true intentions. Embrace moments of challenge as opportunities to refine your poker face, ensuring it becomes second nature in high-stakes scenarios. 5. Skip unnecessary fights. Being clever means avoiding pointless conflicts. Before jumping into an argument, ask yourself if it's really worth it. If it doesn't get you closer to your goals, it's probably not. Stay strategic and think twice before getting into unnecessary trouble. Consider the potential consequences of engaging in conflicts and evaluate whether the benefits outweigh the risks. Moreover, recognize that preserving relationships and fostering a positive environment can often yield more significant long-term gains than fleeting victories in trivial disputes. Embrace a diplomatic approach, as the ability to sidestep unnecessary conflicts showcases your strategic prowess and contributes to a harmonious and collaborative atmosphere. 6. Be a doubter. Don't be too trusting. It's a recipe for trouble. Train yourself to question things and be a bit skeptical. If someone is overly flattering, maybe they're up to something. By thinking critically, you can protect yourself from being taken advantage of. Look for inconsistencies in their stories and be cautious of overly positive or negative feedback that seems disproportionate to the situation. Furthermore, cultivate a healthy sense of curiosity that prompts you to delve deeper into situations, seeking clarity and understanding. Recognize that a balanced dose of skepticism acts as a shield, empowering you to navigate social interactions with heightened awareness and discernment. Embrace a mindset that values informed trust over blind faith, allowing you to make decisions based on a more accurate assessment of others' intentions. 7. Hide your talents. Here's a tip: don't show off too much. If people think you're better than them, they might see you as a threat. Keep your exceptional skills under wraps, pretend to be average, and you'll catch them off guard when you need to outsmart them. Resist the temptation to showcase your talents unnecessarily, and reveal them strategically when it serves your interests. Remember, maintaining an air of humility not only disarms potential competitors, but also allows you to observe others without raising suspicions. Cultivate an understated confidence that lets your capabilities shine when the timing is just right, leaving those around you pleasantly surprised by the depth of your skills and strategic acumen.